The Day of Judgment is one of the central beliefs in Islam. The Prophet Muhammad described it in detail through many authentic hadiths, painting a powerful and awe-inspiring picture of what will happen. Here is a comprehensive summary of what happens on Judgment Day according to authentic hadiths, step by step. 1. The end of the world begins. Israfil will blow the trumpet. Everything in the heavens and earth will die, except whom Allah wills. Mountains will crumble, oceans will boil, stars will fall, and the sky will split. The trumpet will be blown, and whoever is in the heavens and the earth will fall unconscious. 2. Resurrection. After a period only known to Allah, Israfil blows the trumpet again. All humans will rise from their graves, barefoot, naked, uncircumcised. Prophet said, "You will be resurrected barefoot, naked, and uncircumcised." People will rush toward the place of gathering. 3. The great gathering, all of mankind, from Adam to the last soul, will gather on a flat white land. The sun will be brought close. People will sweat according to their sins, some up to their ankles, knees, necks, and some will be drowning in it. The sun will be brought so close that people will be in sweat according to their deeds. 4. People seek intercession. People will run to prophets asking them to intercede with Allah to start the judgment. Every prophet will decline until they reach Prophet Muhammad, who will say, "I am for it." He will prostrate to Allah, and intercession will be granted to begin the reckoning. 5. The records are given. Every person will be given their book of deeds. In the right hand equals success. In the left hand or behind the back equals destruction. Whoever is given his record in his right hand, he will say, "Here, read my record." 6. The scales are set up. Deeds will be weighed. Good deeds versus bad deeds. Even small deeds like a smile, a kind word, or a sincere intention can weigh heavily. The heaviest thing in the scale will be good character. 7. The bridge over hellfire. A bridge thinner than a hair, sharper than a sword, placed over hell. The righteous will cross with the speed of lightning, others slower. Some will fall into hell. Then they will pass over the Sirat. Some will pass like the blink of an eye. 8. The intercession and Allah's mercy source. Sahih Bukhari. The Prophet will intercede for many people, those with even a mustard seed of faith. Allah will allow some to be taken out of hell after purification. My intercession is for those who commit major sins in my ummah. 9. The final destination. Paradise or hell paradise. Eternal joy. Gardens, rivers, palaces, and most importantly, seeing Allah. Hellfire. Pain, regret, burning, and darkness. But some will be removed after purification if they had faith. Some will enter paradise without any reckoning.